In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral talking AI avatar using HeyGen. We'll go from finding the site to generating a polished, share-ready video, keeping everything simple and fast. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HeyGen and click the official HeyGen website from the search results. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create option. Choose Create a Video, then proceed to create an AI studio. This takes you into the editor where your avatar and script come together. It's time to pick your avatar. Click Replace Avatar to open the library. Choose a look that aligns with your content style. If your script is professional, go with a formal presenter. If you're aiming for entertainment, pick an expressive or character-style avatar. For a UGC vibe, choose a casual, friendly face. Matching tone to avatar is what makes the message feel natural and believable. Next, write your script directly in the editor. Viral content starts with a strong 3-second hook, uses short, clear sentences, and focuses on one core message. Keep it tight and audience-focused. For example, you might open with a bold promise or a surprising stat, then support it with 1 or 2 crisp lines, and end with a simple call to action. Now set the voice. Go to Audio, then Voice. Choose an expressive voice for emotion-driven content, a natural voice for realistic delivery, or a multilingual option if you're publishing in multiple languages. When you find the right voice, click Apply to this voice so your script uses that selection. If your plan includes it, you can also bring in your own voice, but make sure it's clean and consistent. Customize the scene to help your video stand out. Click Background and pick bold colors or clean gradients that contrast with your avatar and any on-screen text. High contrast improves readability in fast-scrolling feeds and keeps focus on your message. When everything looks and sounds right, you're ready to render. Do a quick preview to catch any typos or timing issues, then click Generate. Finally, click Submit to start processing. HeyGen will compile the visuals, voice, and lip sync automatically. When it's finished, download your video and share it across your platforms. For best results, repurpose the same clip in vertical and horizontal formats and keep captions short. That's it. You've created a viral-ready talking AI avatar with HeyGen, from search to submission, in just a few guided steps.